Did you know that hiccups are basically mini seizures happening in your chest? Every time you hiccup, your diaphragm muscle violently spasms out of control. It slams shut your vocal cords so hard they make that sharp hic sound. But here's the disturbing part. Hiccups are an evolutionary leftover from when our ancestors had gills. Your body is literally trying to pump water through organs you don't even have anymore. The longest case on record was Charles Osborne, who hiccuped non-stop for 68 years straight. Imagine trying to sleep, eat, or talk while your chest convulses every few seconds for 7 decades. Some people develop something called intractable hiccups that last for months. The spasms become so violent they can crack ribs. Your phrenic nerve gets stuck in a feedback loop, firing signals your diaphragm can't ignore. This is why those weird home remedies actually work. Drinking water upside down forces your phrenic nerve to reset itself. It's like hitting the restart button on a glitching computer. Sometimes your body just needs a hard reset.